Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the topic given. The NorthOne Bank Plus account is an upgraded, paid tier of the NorthOne Digital Business Checking account designed for small businesses, startups, and freelancers. Costing a flat monthly fee of $20, the Plus account provides advanced features and fee waivers compared to the basic standard plan. Account holders get access to higher tier perks, including zero transaction fees for same-day ACH payments and physical check mailings, which normally incur separate fees on lower tiers. Outgoing domestic wire transfers are also discounted to $15. Additionally, the Plus plan includes a higher limit for monthly free cash deposits at participating retail locations, prioritized customer support channels, a dedicated onboarding assistant, and a higher potential annual percentage yield on eligible balances when meeting activity requirements. Like the standard account, it integrates seamlessly with major business software like QuickBooks, Shopify, and PayPal, and provides envelope-style budgeting tools to help business owners manage their cash flow efficiently. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.